in the last video, we discussed healthy habits during the fasting season. Today, I'll be talking about foods to include and foods to avoid when fasting. So you have a plate and you're about to break your fast after taking something light and easily digestible. So you have preparation for your main meal after fast. In your plate, you divide it into two halves. A little above one quarter should be given to whole grains, to your carbohydrates, your whole grains or roots and tubers, for instance, the rice. So you have the brown rice, quinoa, oats, yam, potatoes to be included. Then the little lesser than a quarter on your plate should be given to lean proteins. Choices like fish, chicken, meat, eggs, beans should be given the little below a quarter. The other half, a little above one quarter again, should be given to vegetables. So you have your cooked vegetables, green leafy vegetables, or the continental vegetables. So you have the vegetable soups, vegetable sauces, vegetable salads also, giving a little above a quarter on the other side. Then a little below a quarter should be given to fruits. So we have fruits in season. We have the apple in season, we have grapes in season, the African star apple is in season, agbalumo, bananas are in season. So this can be incorporated into the lesser than a quarter on the other part of your plate. The foods to avoid after fasting: please avoid heavy or greasy foods. You want to avoid fried foods. This would not only cause discomfort, but they are very high in saturated fat. You also want to avoid sugary drinks. Instead of going for carbonated drinks or sodas, please go for water or your homemade fruit juices. You could also incorporate homemade zobos, homemade tiger nuts. The last thing you want to avoid is to avoid highly processed foods. Highly processed foods have high amounts of salt, sugar, and saturated fat. And this would not only cause discomfort, they are also predisposing factors to autoimmune illnesses or medical conditions such as diabetes, hypercholesterolemia, and coronary heart diseases, hyperlipidemia also. So you want to avoid highly processed foods. Before you get anything off the shelf, please ensure to read your nutrition label. Go for healthy food options, go for your whole grains, go for healthy farm produces, and ensure you stay active, stay healthy, ensure you back up your fasting with prayers. I wish you all round wellness, health, and goodness.